Welcome to another MCC Libraries help video. In this video, we will discuss accessing eBooks. As usual, let's start at the MCCKC website. If you scroll down just a little bit, you will see the icon and link to the library homepage. Once you get to the library page, you'll see some basic information about the libraries, their business hours, and the various links to the 4 campus libraries. Over here on the left, you have a local navigation menu to our catalogs, database, subject guides, and so on. For eBooks, we're actually going to go to the databases page. So if we click on that, we go to the library databases page here at MCC. You'll see that we have the databases organized by subject as default. If you scroll down just a little bit, you'll find Books Online. Notice there are 2 links, one to our Ebsco ebook collection and the other one to Overdrive. We're going to start with Ebsco eBooks. Now here it talks about 150,000 different titles. I would say that many of these are academic, nonfiction, and reference titles. So if you're looking for a research book or just a supplement to your textbook and a lot of information, I would look at our Ebsco ebook collection. Now when you click on that, you might first encounter the MCC login page. If you're already logged in with your MyMCC credentials in another app, you should go right through. Otherwise, log in with your MCC credentials and you should go here. Now many of you, if you've used our databases before, will think that this page looks very familiar. It's by Ebsco, and it's just searching instead of their other databases. This is a database of their ebooks. So it should say ebook collection Ebsco hosts here. Otherwise, it looks and operates like many of their databases. So here, let's just type in geology or geography. Let's go with that since it's the first one up. Or any subject or title, right? And similar to other searches, you're going to get a list of results. Like in the databases, you have some local filtering over here on the left, right, and at the top, and you can perform an advanced search. You will see that once you find a title, you might have multiple options, or you can just say access ebook now. Like our other books, you can click on the title and find out additional information. Some of the books you might have the option to download to read offline, or different formats that you can use. You can also, it's a really nice bounce in to the different sections of the book, or access ebook now. And whether it's on the web platform or other platforms, it gives you a pretty good reading experience. It takes a little bit to load because you are accessing a whole book, right? But other than that, pretty traditional reading experience. You can bounce from place to place. A couple things, just like our databases, it does have citation built in. It should work. You can share it, you can print certain sections, and an advantage of the ebooks is you can search within the text. So oftentimes I do like to have a physical book, but it's great when you're doing some research and you just need to look for something specific and quick, you have that search feature built in. So those are Ebsco eBooks. You can access it on their web platform. They also do have an app for Android and Apple. So this is what the app looks like. And again, you can find it in either app store. Let's go back to that database page. Remember I said there were 2, Ebsco and Overdrive. The second one, it says 10,000 downloadable ebooks and audiobooks, including fiction and nonfiction. Now, like I said, the Ebsco is what I would consider mostly for research. You're going to get a lot of nonfiction and reference books. The Overdrive catalog, I would strongly encourage you, yes, for research, because they do have high quality nonfiction books, but it's also going to have a lot of popular fiction books and audiobooks as well. So if I click on Overdrive, again, you might get taken to this login page, log in. Otherwise, you might already be logged in. And then once you log in, it might ask, okay, which college are you at? So you might have to search Metropolitan Community College and choose that. And once you do, right, log in, maybe with Microsoft at that point or before, but you're good and you're through. It says Mobius up at the top. So Metropolitan Community College is part of a larger group of colleges, and we have this, for the most part, shared library. Now, once you scroll down a little bit, this might look very familiar. So Overdrive is the company and Libby is their app. Notice it does have an Apple and Google app. It also has a Kindle app as well. And after you get through that, you can access it on your phone, but you can just scroll and browse, much like any other database or catalog as well. So notice I pointed out there are lots of great nonfiction titles, but also popular fiction titles as well as audiobooks. There are many ways to search and filter. One that's popular right now, both as a book and a Netflix show, Three Body Problem. Just wanted to show you that it has both an audiobook, an ebook, and then there are multiple books in the series, so it recommends those as well. You do have an account, you have a shelf, you can view the books on your shelf, you can book books on hold, you can search for different titles, you can see different formats. It's a great experience both on the web, but I'd also say their app experience is phenomenal. If you download it, you can also, once you're in the app and in your account, access all of the other libraries that use Libby as well within one place. So Kansas City Public, Mid-Continent Public Library, Johnson County Public Library, all of your local public libraries use the same app. And it's familiar, and you can put all your libraries in one place and get access to millions of books. So that's a great resource as well. Now, last thing I'll mention is, while these are accessible through the databases and they do have their own portal, occasionally you will see some digital titles show up in your library catalogs, but those links will take you back to the Overdrive and Ebsco pages that we just showed you. So again, this video has been about accessing ebooks. As always, if you have questions, look in the links below. We'll have links to our library help guides, including the ones about how to access ebooks, because there's a lot more information that could be useful to you than you've seen in this video. Otherwise, please check out our other videos. And as always, come in, visit us in the library as well as our website. We'd be happy to help make your experience here at MCC great.